Imagine being 79 years old, alone, and trapped under feet of snow in the heart of Siberia, with temperatures plummeting to -50°C. This isn't a movie plot. It's the incredible true story of a Yakut woman's fight for survival against one of the world's harshest environments. Deep in the remote mountains of Yakutia, a region known for its extreme cold, this elderly woman was tending to a reindeer herd, a way of life passed down through generations. Suddenly, a ferocious blizzard, a purga, as the locals call it, descended without warning. The wind howled, visibility dropped to zero, and the snow piled up with terrifying speed. In minutes, her traditional tent, her only shelter, was completely buried, transforming her safe haven into a frozen tomb. Trapped in the suffocating darkness, with the weight of the snow pressing down, panic could have easily taken over. But this woman was a child of the taiga. She didn't despair. Drawing on a lifetime of ancestral knowledge, she knew her first priority was to conserve energy and stay warm. She huddled close, rationing the meager supplies she had, her breath turning to ice in the frigid air. Hours turned into a day, and then another. The world outside was a silent, frozen wasteland, but inside her icy prison a flicker of hope remained. She used a small stick, painstakingly digging, conserving every bit of strength, creating a tiny air channel to the surface. It was a monumental effort, a slow, grueling battle against the crushing weight of the snow. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, her family and local rescuers, who had been searching relentlessly, spotted the faint disturbance in the otherwise perfect blanket of white. They dug frantically, and against all odds, pulled her from the snow-caked tent, weak and cold, but miraculously alive. Her survival is a powerful testament to human resilience, the wisdom of ancient traditions, and the unbreakable spirit of the people who call the coldest inhabited place on Earth their home. What an incredible story of strength and survival. If you were moved by her story, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tales of human endurance. Thanks for watching.